Is the puppy book. This one is also old. This one is 1968. What?
At the time?
1968. That's the year Nana was born. I know, right?
Yes,
this one's so old. This one is 53, 52 years old. I'll have to call Nana, ask her how old she is. Puppies come in all shapes and sizes and colors. Little puppy, big puppy. When they eat, puppies are not very neat. Oh, that's true. They do make a mess. Just like babies. After eating, puppies like to have a drink.
Drink milk, water.
Milk, water. I don't know. I guess baby puppies have water. Sometimes puppies chew on things that are not for eating. Uh-oh.
What?
So do babies. Puppies and babies have a lot in common. Puppies like to play better than anything else. Oh.
Or use their teeth.
That's how they play with each other. They don't have like the fingers that we do to tickle each other. They like to play tug of war. Oh, that's a fun game. Sometimes humans play that game too.
Because
they like to chase a ball. They chase each other's tail. Go round and round, hey? Sometimes they even chase their own tail.
Yeah, and they run fast.
Some puppies play with cats. Oh.
Oh, no, or not.
No, they don't?
Because they chase them around.
Do they chase them around? When puppies get tired, they take a nap. Sweet dreams, puppies.
The end.
The end.
And